I think the way that we think about sort of enhancing the customer experience from a distributor's perspective, our our customers, the distributors' customers, they want to have everything they need to run their business, right? When they need it. So if they're a factory, they need to have the right supplies to keep their factory running. When they are a contractor, they want to show up to the job and make sure they have everything they need to be able to do the job so they don't have to make two trips. And so, as much as it hurts, customer experience for a distributor is how do we get out of the way so that our customer can do their job really well? And so we think about ways to apply AI to help the distributor better deliver that differentiatedly smooth customer experience.
Yeah,
So I'll give you
while I'm hearing Benji and Mark, there is really one keyword that attract me, or that is something in my mind for a while, is personalized experience. So now we all know that AI can understand or identify underlying pattern, blah blah. However, each person, they more care about their own experience than how the universe working, right? So I think how AI evolved these days, like since 10 or 20 years, is if AI cover general understanding, now the trend is going more likely how we can personalize, how we can customize the model or AI so that we can fulfill those experimentation.
thank you.